Hi everyone, my name is Alexis Valdez and my business is One Life Ghana. To the left you can see our logo, which is extremely simple and just shows the simplicity of our business. Our hashtag is Choose One Life and our slogan is Fight for the One Life You Have. So what I chose kind of hits home for me. Up in the left corner I actually went and visited Ghana. I was there for a week and a half and I volunteered in an orphanage. The wicked problem in Ghana, especially Dodowa, which is an extremely rural town, is that they don't have the proper funding they need to allow these orphanages to survive. They have over 148 running orphanages, but actually only 8 of them are truly licensed and getting the funding they need. All of the other orphanage are getting help from locals or, stealing volunteers like myself and things like that. Kind of a company description of what One Life Ghana is that we're an online jewelry store, which we give 5% of annual profit back to orphanages across Ghana. As well as every piece of jewelry sold, we also give one to a child in orphanage. For example, if you buy one of our bracelets, we will also give one of the bracelets to one of the girls or boys in the orphanage, just kind of reminding them that they are being helped and watched and that there are good people in the world. Our mission is to combine quality jewelry with fighting for the children in Ghana. We want to allow them to live the life they deserve. They are some of the most happy people ever, and they just love life, and I just want everyone to be able to see that. Our vision is to help rebuild the stability of at least 12 orphanages in 2020. Our values are integrity, honest, and loyalty, and our structure is an LLC. Kind of a pricing breakdown of our products that we're starting out with. Our rings are $32, bracelets are $37, earrings are $27, and a necklace is $56. So in these pictures you can kind of see what our jewelry would look like. So up in the left hand corner is one of our rings, which says Believe on the band. On the right upper hand corner is our earrings, and one of them says Real, the other one says Love. The other one right here is a bracelet that says Joy. And the other one on the right, the bottom right, is a necklace where it says A World of Love. So we are going to start out with about 3 employees. And in the jewelry industry, there is, in 2018, there's 271 billion, and it's actually looking to rise into 2035 with 645, which that kind of shows in the diagram to our right. Trends right now are very based off of innovation of new products, as well as there's not a lot of actual storefronts. Everything is based online right now. California itself has over 9,000 jewelry storefronts, not including online. And America has over 61,000 storefronts, but it is actually decreasing because everything is going online. Our target market right now for the first year is to having $50,000 in profit to send to Ghana in the first year. So kind of a description of our target customer is someone who's at the core is a humanitarian. We want them to be 25, a female living in California, an income of $100,000 with a bachelor's degree, and their ideal job being an admin assistant. We're not selling anything through a distributor. Everything is sold online. So this is kind of our marketing material. This is one of the banners that I created. It says, Fighting for the life you want is a process. You just have to start. And it kind of gives a Facebook link or a Facebook logo where you can go and find our Facebook as well as our slogan, Fight for the One Life You Have, and our website and our hashtag. A startup cost for our business. So we kind of looked at what we wanted to have in inventory and all of that. So we have $20,000 in inventory. $1,500 to create a website, $1,000 in market research, as well as $1,700 in social media marketing. That totals about $24,200. So we decided to also do an annual car wash fundraiser that will benefit the orphanages in Ghana. So our fundraising goal is to get $2,000 from our local businesses and residents from a car wash. It should cost about $100 to get the fundraising started, get buckets, towels, all other things that we might need. We plan on inviting all businesses in Folsom, as well as posting signs across neighborhoods and letting all the neighbors know what we're doing and why we're doing it. We feel it's the best route due to them. When it's locally, they feel a lot more comfortable donating it. They know where it's going. They can see the people in front of the business. Looking at our 12-month sale, one of our main competitors is Pandora. I think we can hit about $100,000 market in the first year. Pandora is getting over $300 million in income with having 100 storefronts. Hundreds of storefronts. I think it's possible to do only online, but be able to only hit 100,000. So our goal is kind of to sell about 1,000 rings, priced at $32, making that $32,000. We want to sell about 1,300 bracelets at $37, making that $4,800. And 200 earrings for $26, making that $5,200. 450 necklaces at $57, making that $25,650. Thank you guys for listening. I appreciate it.